Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akansha and you're watching my channel Absolutely AK. So guys, today's video is all about my gyan, the gyan that I have taken over or learned over the 20 years of my life. Okay, so basically this year I turned 30 and yeah, I know 30 is the new 20, so there's no point in feeling bad about it. In fact, I'm really happy. I'm feeling better and confident and extremely creative at this moment. So I am super happy, and that's the reason why I have started my 30 videos 30-day challenge. And if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you're notified for a video every time I upload one. Now the learnings are 20 and the time is less. So quickly get a cup of tea or coffee and sit and listen to what I have to say for the 20 lessons that I have learned over these 20 years. Okay, so I have prepared a list and I am going to refer to my list and I am going to tell you all the learnings. So here it goes. The first one, it's okay to feel lost. Not all of us have the first time that we think what we want to do in life, where we want to go in life, what is it that we want from our life. Not all of us in the first instance have an idea about it. So it's okay while you're in your 20s to feel lost. In fact, there are people who are also in their 30s and feel lost. So it's completely okay. What you can do about it is follow your passion. Try zeroing it down to all the things that you like in life and start figuring things from there. The second thing is embrace failure. Now this is a very important life lesson that everyone must know, and that is embracing failure. Failure is bound to happen. You may not have failed in your school, you may not have failed in your college, you may not have failed in your career, you may have failed in relationships, you may have not failed in relationships, but you may have failed in career, or you may not have failed at anything, but you might fail in future. And being prepared for it is extremely important. Accepting it gracefully and with your full heart is very important. I failed a couple of times while I was giving my final CA, and at the first instance, no, it didn't go well with me, but eventually I did learn about it, and I think now even if I fail at something, it doesn't really bother me, because even failure comes with its own set of learnings. Okay, the third one, don't give up. It's okay अगर नहीं हो रहा है, थोड़े टाइम बाद हो जाएगा, अभी उसके बाद भी नहीं हुआ तो और थोड़े टाइम बाद हो जाएगा, but don't give up. This is something that we all forget in the middle. Even I sometimes, when I put in a lot of effort with something and I don't see the results, I feel like giving up. But then I have to tell myself, I have to remind myself that no, I am not going to give up and I am going to go ahead and finish what I've thought. So if you are at something that you're not really in control of and are on the verge of giving up, please stay there. Just give yourself some time and you'll get there. Okay, the fourth thing, everything happens for a reason. जैसे कि सब बड़े लोग बोलते हैं कि इसमें कुछ भलाई होगी, ये इसीलिए हुआ क्योंकि इसमें भगवान की कुछ रजामंदी होगी. Do remember these lines. They're not saying it out of nowhere, they're saying it out of experience. I am saying it out of experience, and I think when my mom is going to see this video, she's going to laugh at me and be like, बहुत बड़ी बातें कर रही है. But no, I do believe in it. I have started believing in it since some time, and even though I forget, I keep reminding myself that okay, इसमें कुछ भलाई होगी, and that's the reason why everything happens for a reason. Fifth, and the most relevant these days, social media existence is a myth. Now, whatever you're seeing on social media, whether it is my social media or it is anyone else, your friends, your family, the movie stars, or anyone for that matter, politicians, it's a myth. Not everyone is going to show their bad days on social media. I have bad days too. In fact, today before shooting this video, I was taking my NMIMS class and I almost fainted. And yeah, so everyone has bad days, but I'm not going to put that on social media, nor is anyone else going to put a bad day on social media. So please do not confuse your lives with others' lives, compare your lives with others' lives looking at social media. Okay, the next one, invest in experiences and not things. Now this is something that I truly believe. I never have ever doubted this, and I will always tell you, if you have money, forget expensive bags, expensive jewelry, expensive clothes. Travel, go out, try making new friends, spend on food, spend on things that are going to enrich you by experiences. So the next one is eliminate negative people and prioritize. So when I say eliminate negative people, I mean that people from your work environment, it could be negative people in your family or your extended family, or it could be negative people in terms of anyone who's creating toxicity in your life, okay? And it could be from any place and any sphere of your life. So if there is anyone like that, identify that person, because that person is going to suck out all the energy, creativity, happiness out of your system, and that's not good. So eliminate negative people. Next is the most important, and that is create the best bond with your parents. Okay, now I can't tell you how important this is, because parents are the only two people who are going to stand with you irrespective of anything. So come what may, your parents are always going to be with you. So create the best bond with them, bridge all your communication gaps with them, and I'm telling you, your life is sorted. The next one that we have is love yourself and love your body. So a lot of people who are in and around me, they know that I say मैं अपनी favorite हूँ. Of course there are days when I feel bad about myself or I'm like low, but overall I love myself. I love my body, I love how I look, I love my hair, I love everything about myself, and not in the bad way, in the good way. You should love everything about yourself and accept who you are the way you are. Alright, the next one is do not contain your anger and seek help. Okay, so you aren't supposed to contain all your anger, frustration, disappointments, any kind of negative emotion. If you're going to pile it up all inside, it's going to burst. You're going to burst, and when you burst, it's going to affect others, it's going to affect you, it's going to affect your health. So if you are doing that, seek professional help, go to a therapist, or else the best thing is seek help from your parents. Go to them, discuss your problems with them, discuss whatever that is creating any anger in you with them, and I'm sure you'll be sorted. The next one is follow your gut or your intuition. Now 99% of the times that small little awaaz that comes from inside guides you to the right direction. So whether it is coming home late from a party, or deciding something in your career, or deciding whether I want to take up this course or not, it's your gut, it's your intuition that is going to help you. And listen to that intuition. Do not listen to the others and confuse yourself. The next one that we have is it just takes a minute of courage. Be fearless. Now all the important decisions that you need to take in life, you're going to be scared at first. It's not going to happen instantly. The reason why we take time in taking decisions is because we're scared. We're like, ये होगा या नहीं होगा, वो हम कर पाएंगे या नहीं कर पाएंगे. But all you need to do is just take that 1 minute, 1 second of courage. That is it. It takes to jump into whatever you want to do. Like even I was very scared to take up this 30 videos 30 days challenge, but I was like, even if I fail, even if बीच में बंद हो जाए, कुछ नहीं होता, it's okay, let me just start. If I don't start, I don't know if I'll be able to end. So it's just that little seconds of courage that you need. If you're fearless, if you're courageous, you will conquer the world. Okay, the next is health is wealth. Now, if you're not healthy, what is the use of having all the money in the world? To be able to spend all that money, to be able to travel, to be able to eat good food, you need to be healthy. So go either work out or maintain yourself or do portion control, but remain healthy. The next one is start earning and saving as soon as possible. There is nothing better than having your own money and the freedom of you to decide for yourself whether you want to buy something or not buy something. You're not dependent on asking for permissions, you're not dependent on others giving you money, you're not at all dependent. So start earning, even if it is some few thousands of rupees only, but just start earning and make sure you save some portion of it, definitely. The next one is be independent. All the boys and girls, and this one is for all of them, like boys and girls, please be independent. Don't be dependent on your parents to make your hair, to decide which career you have to choose, to decide when are you going to study, to decide whether you can be in a relationship or not be in a relationship. Gone are the days you can do things on your own. Take charge of your life, be independent. You're not feeling well, get up, do things. You're not being able to pack your bag, get up, do it yourself. Your parents are not going to do anything for you. Now you're big. Take charge of your life, be independent. The next one is believe in hard work and not just luck. Yes, of course, luck plays its role, but that doesn't mean that you forget to work hard. अपने आप से बैठे बैठे कुछ नहीं आने वाला. Nothing is going to be served to you on a platter. Yes, there are some fortunate souls who get things on a platter, but even they have to work hard to maintain that. So everyone who you see is enjoying or is succeeding in life, there is someone or something working hard behind. So please do believe in hard work. Last three. So sacrificing on things you like will not make you succeed. So in order to succeed, I was always under the impression that you have to sacrifice. कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है. नहीं, that's not necessary. I think what you need to understand is balance. Balance your time, balance your priorities. Okay, prioritize what needs to be done when. So till the time you can do that, you can very well you will not have to sacrifice on the things that you like, whether it is your hobbies, passions, relationships, social life, in order to succeed in, like, say, your exams, career, or your any form of work that you have taken up. So just a small thing that everyone needs to understand, that sacrificing need not necessarily mean succeeding. Second last, and that is, it's okay to make mistakes. It's really okay to make mistakes. We all are young adults and no one is perfect. So obviously by and large we are going to make mistakes, whether in career or in relationships or in our day-to-day lives. But what matters is understanding from your mistakes and not repeating those mistakes. So as long as you can understand that I have made this mistake and you take the onus, you take the ownership of it, it's fine. Also, if you land up making mistakes and hurting someone, please feel free to apologize. No one is going to put you down for apologizing. In fact, things will become better. So making mistakes is okay, apologizing is okay. The next one and the last and my favorite is travel. So make it a point that in your 20s, either it is solo or with your siblings or with your friends, however it is that you feel comfortable, but please remove time and travel. Traveling unknowingly helps you in so many ways, teaches you so many life lessons. It teaches you about budgeting, it teaches you about independence, it teaches you about people, it teaches you about how to manage people, how to talk to people, it teaches you about different cultures, it also teaches you about how to introspect and make yourself a better person. So traveling has quite a few benefits. Of course, it's also a stress buster and a technique to relax. So definitely do travel. So guys, these were my 20 learnings over the 20 years of my life. Now let's see what 30 brings in. But if this video touched you somewhere, if it made some form of difference in your life, please do not forget to like my video. Also, I would love it if you can comment in the comment box as to what are some of your learnings. And yeah, that's about it. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you're notified for a video every time I upload one. And tomorrow's video is about my 30th birthday vlog, my travel vlog. So stay tuned, stay home, stay safe, and bye bye.